gold medal match, Tier B, Open Messer at AGO. Fencer salute. On guard. Show us some good messer fecting. Quiet in the hall, please. There's a gold medal match. Ready? Fence! Green, cut to head.
Good.
Ready? Fence. White. White, cut torso.
Good.
Ready? Fence. White. White. Cut to arm.
Oh, thank you.
Good.
Is that a ribbon? Okay, yeah, it's fine.
Good. Ready to continue. Ready? Fence. White. See, white, cut torso with afterblow. White, cut the torso with afterblow. White fencer, reminder to not, you did not turn the back of your head, but be careful, you're very close to. Ready?
Good.
Fence. White. White, cut torso with afterblow.
Good.
Ready? Fence.
Going, push the pace.
White. Nice. White, cut to arm.
One more, Henry. Come on, Nick.
3-1 advantage white. 1 minute and 1 second left in the match.
On guard. Fence. White. White, like their afterblow.
No, it was
Out
out of action.
of action. Out. Afterblow, out of action. White, thrust to torso.
Match white.